Coming up on Cook With Al, we'll be making stuffed buffalo chicken peppers with blue cheese cream. Stay tuned. Hey guys, just a quick note. If you need the step-by-step instructions in the description below, there is a link to my website. Click the link and you can follow step by step. The ingredients for this meal are also listed in the description box below. If you want to try this meal, it's being sponsored by Home Chef, so a special deal is in there, so please check that out. And finally, if you need any of the cooking utensils that I use for this or any of the meals, a link in the description box is there as well. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, smash that like button as well as all the other videos that I produce. It really helps a lot. So with that said, let's get cooking. Alright guys, here are the ingredients we are working with today. We have 2 green onions, 3 Poblano Peppers. You guys know by now I love Poblanos. I think the 3rd or 4th video. 1 Roma Tomato. Oops. 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts. Approximately 13 ounces, so about 6.5 ounces each. We have 2 ounces of Cheddar-Jack cheese. We have 3 teaspoons of Frank's Red Hot sauce. That's 1, 2, and 3. We have 1.5 teaspoons of powdered ranch seasoning. You can see that. We have 2 ounces of sour cream from Daisy. We have 1 ounce of blue cheese. And we have 1/2 ounce of crispy jalapenos. For utensils, you'll always need pan. You'll need a baking sheet. You'll need some cooking spray. 3 bowls to slice and dice things. Your favorite knife, preferably sharpened. Some aluminum foil. Some olive oil. You'll need some salt and pepper. That's going to stay. And you need a small and medium bowl to combine the ingredients and to make the dressing. Optionally, a brush and measuring spoons, or you can just wing it. Close enough. Alright, so I'm going to rinse the produce and I'll be right back. Guys, here's what we're doing. This is a pretty simple meal. We're going to slice and dice the Roma tomato into 1/2-inch pieces. We're going to thinly slice the green onions, and we're going to have the Poblano peppers, remove the seeds of ribs, and we'll be good to go to the next step. Alright, so now we're going to prep the baking sheet. We're going to put down a sheet of aluminum foil, spray it with some cooking spray. We're going to put the Poblano peppers open side down, and then drizzle some olive oil on the top. Put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, I believe. So now we're going to take the chicken out of its paper towel wrapping, and we're going to slice them into 1-inch pieces approximately, and then it's going into the pan. So what I like to do is, if the pan is not on, I like to turn it on so it gets all nice and hot while I cut the chicken. Pan all nice and hot. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons or so of some olive oil. Let that spread. Go around a little bit, help it out. Add chicken, and we're going to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, we have about 2 minutes left, and chicken's almost done. Add the poblanos, or done about 30 seconds as well. So the next step is we're going to make the dressing and the chicken filling. We have about 30 seconds left, and then we're going to proceed to make the filling and the dressing. Very simple. I'm going to add the blue cheese with the cream cheese and just mix. Still a little cold, but we'll get through it. I'm going to add the chicken filling to the poblano peppers and cook it in the oven for about 7 minutes. Alright, ladies and gents, here we go. Final product. We're going to take 3, put it on the plate. Three per person. Careful, very hot. And take a dollop of cream cheese, or the blue cheese cream cheese. Add that to each piece. And we have some leftover green onions. Add that as a garnish. There you go. Pretty simple meal, delicious meal. But stay tuned for my thoughts. Guys, as I expected, the meal was fantastic. There's a nice melody when you mix the slight hotness from the hot sauce and the coolness from the blue cheese cream cheese. So it was a really nice mix. Definitely delicious. Anyone love this, and really fast to make. You can't go wrong. If you've made this or something like this, comment below, let me know what you think. And that's everything. If you like this video, please smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, stay cooking.